Hello teachers, this is the second video of 2 on how we can better help our students to get in contact with us. We have created here a living document for each of you to put in your information, and it is a directory of teachers organized by department, and you can go in and you can add the link to your Google Meets, enabling your students to simply click on that link, like here, and be able to call you directly through Google Meets. So I'm going to show you how it works. So all I have to do, if I'm a student, is I click on Google Meets, and now we're ready to go. Now I can call my teacher. Now there's a lot of scrolling, and we wanted to eliminate that, so we created a department directory for fast scrolling. So if I want to go to the CTE department as a student really fast, all I have to do is hit this bookmark, and there we go. We're at the CTE department, and then we can find our teacher and then hit that link and be instantly in contact with our desired teacher. Now, what you need to do is you need to come up here and you need to put in, for example, French, and then you're going to highlight that and then come up here to the hyperlink, and then you will add your hyperlink from Google Hangouts into this space. Once you do that, then you can hit apply, and then this will turn into your hyperlink. Now, as you can see here with Christopher Dabb, he has German 2, German 3, and German AP and IB. So, and he wants his virtual tutoring hours to look like this. We have also put in a space here for your comments, notes, and due dates. So here you can put that in, and for example, he wants them to do a Quizlet, so this Quizlet link instantly takes them to that Quizlet. Now the idea is we can make this available to our students and our parents so that they can quickly contact us without necessarily having to use our phones as much. Now what you need to do is, in order to be able to create this link here, you need to go to my first video tutorial explaining how to create this. It's really simple, and I take you step by step through it, and I will put the link to that video tutorial underneath this video in YouTube. So good luck. Thank you.